Welcome you back, students. After writing mock test and PT1, I am sure you are quite relaxed, and to add some more relaxation, what CBSE has decided, CBSE has deleted 30% syllabus and it is for all subjects. So in this module we will discuss what part is deleted and what will be the new paper pattern according to the revised syllabus for 2021. Okay, students, so here revised syllabus for 2021. English language and literature is the name of your paper and your code number is 184. Grammar part, let's see. Tenses, modals, subject verb conquered, reported speech and determiners. So these will be covered. So these we will do. We have already done reported speech. Tenses, half of the part already done, and though it's nothing new about tenses, and these three will be taken. Use of passive voice, clauses and prepositions. So students, these three are deleted. These three are deleted. These will not be done. These will not be asked in the examination. Then we switch from grammar to literature. We have two books in literature. I am sure you all know. One is First Flight and second is Footprints Without Feet. So from First Flight, this poem, How to Tell Wild Animals, is deleted. Okay, students? So this part is already deleted. Trees, poem. Again, this is also a poem. It is deleted. Fog, this is also a poem. It is deleted. Mishbil the Otter, it's a prose. It is deleted. And for Anne Gregory, the poem is deleted. Then we come to Footprints Without Feet, this book. Here 3 chapters are deleted. The Midnight Visitor, A Question of Trust, and the last lesson, The Book That Saved the Earth. So these 3 chapters are deleted. So we will not do this, 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 this. Okay. So these are the chapters that are already deleted, and this is the grammar part that is deleted. Okay. So this will be covered. Tenses, modal, subject, verb conquered, reported speech and determiners. These will be taken and you will be assessed on the basis of these areas in grammar. Use of passive voice, clauses, prepositions will not be asked. Okay, students. Now, after this, I will let you know what is a new paper pattern according to revised syllabus. So here it's new paper pattern, English language and literature. See students, till now our paper was divided into 3 sections. Section A, reading, section B, writing and grammar, and section C, literature. But from this section onwards, the paper will be in 2 parts. It will be part A and part B. So part A will be objective and part B will be subjective. So part A objective will be asked for 40 marks and part B subjective will also be asked for 40 marks. Let's see the bifurcation of 40 marks in objective type. Part A, objective, 40 marks. The very first will be reading section. In reading, 2 passages will be there. So the very first question, MCQ, multiple choice questions based on discursive passage. You will be given one passage, the discursive passage. It is argument, opinion, reasons, such kind of passage. And the word limit of this passage will be 400 to 450 words. 10 questions you are supposed to attempt out of 12. Each question will carry 1 mark, so it will be 10 marks. Question number 2. Again it will be MCQ based on factual passage. Factual passage means all that states facts. The word limit of the passage will be 300 to 350 words. Again you will be given 12 questions, students, and you will attempt 10 out of 12. So it will be 10 marks. So reading in objective, 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So this reading will come for 20 marks. Let's see second part. Means that in part A itself, first is reading, then it will come on literature textbook. MCQ based on an extract from drama or prose. Multiple choice question it will be, and it will be based on extract from drama or prose. Any one out of 2. It means 2 will be given to you and you will attempt 1. And in 1, how many questions will be there? 5. 1 mark each. So it will be 5 marks. So any one extract out of 2 you will attempt for 5 marks based on drama or prose. Question number 4. Again it will be multiple choice question based on poetry. 1 out of 2. Again 5 multiply 1 means 1 mark each. 5 questions, 5 marks. And then it is grammar that will be asked in part A, objective. It will come for 10 marks. 10 MCQs will be asked out of 12 based on tenses, modals, reported speech, subject, verb, concurrent, determiners. So here you can see 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 5, 25 plus 5, 30 and 40. So 40 marks, objective done. Now let's switch to part B, subjective. Part B subjective is writing skill will be asked the very first. It will be of 10 marks. For 10 marks bifurcation will be 5 plus 5. First is formal letter, 100 to 120 words on a given situation. And 2 questions will be given to you. Out of 2 you are supposed to attempt any one. It means choice will be given to you. 5 marks. Then again writing an analytical paragraph based on a given outline, chart, data. So again 2 questions will be given to you and you will attempt 1 out of 2. It will be of 5 marks. So 5 plus 5, 10. Writing skill will be asked for 10 marks. Then come to literature. Earlier we had only 2 kinds of questions, 30 to 40 words and 100 to 120 words. Now 3 kinds of answers to be written over here. The very first is 4 out of 6. It means 6 questions will be given to you and out of 6 you will attempt any 4. It is 20 to 30 words question you are supposed to write. It is short answer type questions that you will attempt and it will be in 20 to 30 words. Each question will carry 2 marks. So 4 questions for 8 marks. Question number 4. It's 4 out of 6. What is the word limit? 40 to 50 words. And again, it will be 4 questions will be there. But here it is for 3 marks. Note down students, here 4 out of 6 means 3 questions will be asked from the book First Flight and 3 questions will be from Footprints Without Feet. And you are supposed to do 2 out of 3 from First Flight, 2 out of 3 from Footprints Without Feet. Same here. Okay. Then question number 5, 1 out of 2 long answer type questions. So this time it is first flight, only first flight. 2 long answer type questions will be asked where you will attempt only 1 out of them in 100 to 120 words for 5 marks. Question number 6 and the last, 1 out of 2 long answer type question from footprints without feet in 100 to 120 words. Let's total the marks. 10 writing, then literature 30. It's 5 plus 5 10 here, 8 plus 12 20 here, 30 30 this, 10 this, 40. So 40 plus 40 80, and rest 20 marks you all know that it will be ASL, assessment of speaking and listening activities. So that will be conducted time to time and marks will be sent to the CBSE and it will be added up. So this is the new paper pattern. I am sure you understood it well. Okay students, thank you.